All right. So, any questions for me? Yeah. If you have any question, please.
Yeah, do you have any restrictions across countries for the use of this component?
Oh, okay. So you want to know whether from one country to another there are some form of restrictions that you need to consider, right?
Yes,
Okay.
my more concern is about the sustainability.
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, I would say that countries, different country, every country has some form of electrical standards that they enforce, right? And generally for these passive components like resistors, most of the time that's not much of a problem, as in things like ICs or devices as a whole, right? But then it would what would rather matter would be the application, or where these components may probably come under policy enforcement or standard enforcement would be the application, right? So for instance, if a device is intended for military applications, then you cannot just use for instance, resistors with 10% tolerance, right? Or like I explained yesterday, there are automotive grade and even medical and we call medical grade components, right? And actually, there are some military grade components. All, in fact, all the components that you see, there are military grades for them. Okay, now the military grade components usually are built with very high precision. Is that okay? So it depends on the application that you are using these things for and who is buying. So let's say you are an engineer who deals with the US defense or any country's defense, then they will be concerned about the quality of these components that you use to build the things, right? But as to whether like maybe you have to meet certain things when you are moving resistors, for the passive components usually you don't have much problem, unlike the integrated circuits. Okay, I don't know if that answers your question.
Yeah, thank you. I got it.
All right. Please, any other question? Any other question? Any other question? All right. So if there is no question, then thank you very much for joining this session. Remember, we'll meet at exactly 12 for the next session. Okay. See you.